race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Oh no! The challengers are out of cog pieces on this track. Thomas versus Victor. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Brilliant! The other racer has taken the lead. Brilliant! Final lap. Superb! Winner! A true champion! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start! The other racer has taken the lead. Two laps to go. You're in the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Final lap. Smashing. Winner! A true champion!